Ouais, ce qui est dommage, c'est qu'ils mettent pas de... Comment t'appelles ça
We're starting from here. Then after in the end of our tour, we see also a function. We have a brake for the motor, so we can test our motor inside. And then also have a testing. We should the wheel. Well, we will test electro pumps.
Okay.
After our tour, we see some tests, so we can.
Good. Ouais, c'est ça, ouais. Ils vont nous montrer un test à la fin.
So we can test all our production. We are able to make a test.
Okay. So you are manufacturing the motor.
Yeah.
Inside.
Now we see step by step
Okay.
how it works.
Ah.
So this is the first step. This is for 4-inch because we assemble also 4-inch motors, but it's the same for 6, 8, 10 inches. So we have a lamination for the rotor, and then copper bar, and the guys prepare the rotor. Okay. 4-inch. 8-inch, 10-inch, this is a Lecce rectifié.
Ouais, c'est quoi là? Là, il rectifie là.
Yeah.
Il est en train de rectifier.
Ouais. For the bash, bearing bash.
Okay.
It's the final for the bash.
Ouais, il est en train juste de penser pour faire la dernière tolérance en fait.
D'accord.
We can product. Yeah. We can product 304, 316, and duplex. Always here in PANELLI. Yes. Now we see one stator. How we produce a stator. This machine can produce stator and rotor.
Okay.
So we can put the slave in this plate.
Okay.
The robot goes to take it, and then he measures the length, and then the diameter. Okay. So with the programming of the machine, the robot knows if the pieces is correct or not correct, and then it's just the first step and the first gate. In the same way for the rotor, because we put the shaft here.
Yeah.
As you see before, the shaft has an EMA part. And then he understands if the shaft is mounted in the right position.
Which side?
Yes, and in the right length.
Okay.
So also here we have a first gate. Then the guys, the machine knows if the component is right or not.
Okay.
So the robot maintains the same configuration with the same check. Now he's using the.
He's measuring
right
now. Okay. Yeah.
First step.
Allora?
Ti puoi fermare un secondo che gli spiego tanto quello che hai fatto? Allora, first step. Stator has a sleeve, a 2 heads, and a lamination.
Yeah.
So, guys, starting with the head.
Okay.
Put the head in the machine.
Ça, c'est la tête du stator.
Okay. And then try to put the lamination. Roll our components. We know the material and our supplier.
Les pièces sont gravées, c'est la matière et le fournisseur.
C'est vraiment comme ça que tu ajustes.
Oh. It's all the same thickness?
Half millimeter.
Half millimeter?
One. Yeah.
Ah ouais, donc une fois que c'est comprimé, c'est comprimé. Ok. Tu connais, ouais, c'est...
Voilà.
He knows the length
Yeah.
of the stator. He arrives near the length, and the machine check the length. And it say, okay, questo è quello che ti mancava per inserire prima.
C'est des anciens en fait. Là.
Yeah. And then the machine measure and they, okay, you have to add up more one lamination. So you put one more and then recheck the length. Okay? When the light is red, it's mean the machine is working, and if I pass with my arms, the machine stops working. So safety,
Okay.
safety barrier. Now approaching. Right. Now it is in tolerance with the length of the setting, so it is okay. You can go ahead in the next step. Next step, the robot take the sleeve. It's already.
Tu m'as dit, il fait jusqu'à... Celle-ci, elle fait jusqu'à 10 pouces et 1,50 m de long. Ok.
Sometimes happens that it's not perfectly circle, but it's normal. Sometimes it could happen. Okay, now it's good. I can continue the processing.
Ouais, c'est que des fois, le tube n'est pas parfaitement rond. Ouais. Donc forcément, tu viens pas te mettre. Ouais, ils vont venir pousser gentiment.
MIG. No, MIG arco pulsato. Ok.
Questo qua è 304?
Sì.
Check. And now we are in the right position just to start the welding.
For the welding, yeah.
Depending on the material, it's not standard for all. And also the welding parameters changes if you use duplex or 3 or 4. Okay. How many motors a day? From 15 minutes for the small one to 30 minutes for the bigger.
De 15 à 30 minutes selon la taille du moteur. D'accord.
C'est énorme, hein.
partenza magari non le facciamo e poi la facciamo
make a thread
Oh, yeah.
and clean the part.
Ouais, donc après,
La soudure, elle est nettoyée, elle est repoussée.
Yeah.
ouais, et aussi ils font le filetage.
Ok, d'accord.
After working the stator, he comes to the winding wire department. So here we're starting
Le bobinage.
and
Coiling.
applying the bobinage. Here we balance all our tasks. And here we're starting to wire. The guys who starting to make the bobinage, the bobinage. And the guy here
Ok.
is starting to winding the motor.
Bonjour.
Sono francesi, com'è il tuo francese?
No, niente.
Niente francese?
No, soltanto bonjour, bonsoir, basta. Ho lavorato poco in Francia.
And ok, it is completely manual. Vabbè, ti guardiamo un pochettino lavorare.
Donc,
We
tu vois,
can
ici, on
use-
les annures, il les passe dedans après.
Ah, we can. The guys know
C'est du taf quand même. Hein.
what ask them, and this is the difference between normal our normal winding wire and double insulation winding wire. Yeah. So
So this one
Only
is
one.
P2PA?
yeah, right. And then
So
for
the-
more temperature and then
double insulation.
double
and
insulation
simple
and single
ins-
insulation.
Donc ça, c'est les moteurs normaux, et ça, c'est les moteurs pour les variateurs. Avec
Yeah,
l'isolation
or
double.
high temperature.
D'accord.
we have manufacturer electrical motor.
I see.
Stai facendo il piede piano? No, l'altro.
So, you put it in the water?
And we made a test, the electric test.
The electric test,
So
yeah.
we can check if there is no damage in the wire. Because when I put inside, I can scratch.
It can be
the wire.
scratched, yeah.
And then the connection is well done.
Okay.
Because if I make in the wrong way the connection, they doesn't, they fault the test. And so we check it. It is a burn motor.
Ok. Celui-là, il a bien cramé, celui-là.
Ouais, il a pas de choses aussi là, ouais.
Ciao.
Donc ça, c'est l'isolation simple, et ça, c'est la double isolation du PEDPA, donc les moteurs pour variateurs.
Two motors in the same time.
Ok.
6 inch, 8 inch, and 10 inch.
Ok. Ah ouais. Ah. Non. Ah, c'est bon. This one is cast iron.
Yes, and then we paint again.
Ok. Ouais. Ouais, donc ça c'est bien de l'acier, le noir.
Ok, ouais, d'accord.
C'est pas d'inox.
Donc l'autre, il n'y a pas ce en peinture en fait.
Ouais, c'est ça. C'est de l'acier,
Ouais.
il le repeigne encore après.
Yeah.
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 Ouais, c'est bien.
Ok. Le petit joint qui vient par-dessus et tout.
Sì, dopo. Prima qui non... Ouais, normal.
Ah.
La graisse normale, ouais.
Ouais, c'est juste pour faciliter le lissage, quoi.
Parce que l'autre, il a mis des produits parce que vu que c'est du inox.
Ouais,
Je pense que c'est
mais
pour
la-
ça. Ouais.
Stainless steel, you put
The
copper
copper,
grease.
yeah, because
Oui, oui,
because
il faut pas le louper. Hein.
it's different. So normally in the cast iron we have no problem because the grip is
Ouais.
completely different. Again, they are the counter suspension.
Okay.
And then when we move the shaft, they go put here. No? They go head.
Ok.
Because when we start the motor, they go up.
Yes, they go up.
And then
Okay.
when
Tu démarres, ça monte, et du coup, c'est ça qui sert à...
and then
Ça
it
amortit.
is to come
Ouais,
back.
ouais. Ok.
Ah, ça c'est la bouteille, ça. Ouais. This is the bottom, yeah.
Yeah, the thrust. So no. So when it is in position, normally it's in this way. Okay.
Just few millimeter.
When we push
Ok,
down.
d'où le réglage après.
No. And then when the guys move, they no. And then they just
Ah, voilà.
Laisse la bouteille là.
Ouais, voilà. Sì, Francesco? Ah, oui. Grazie. A dopo. Ciao, ciao, ciao.
si è centrato questa.
Ouais, bah sûr.
Ouais, c'est ballot. Hein.
Ah ouais.
Ouais, quand tu regardes ton.
Ah,
Ouais,
c'est
ok.
bien, ça. Il est bien son outil là, putain.
Ok.
Hey, ah ok.
Simone.
Nice to meet you.
We have two ways to assemble the pumps.
Okay.
The long pumps is assembled in horizontal.
Ok.
Shortest pump in vertical.
Ok. Donc les longues à l'horizontale, les courtes à la verticale. Pour l'assemblage.
D'accord.
So you have all.
Before starting, he
Il vérifie
prepare.
qu'il est tout avant de démarrer. Ah oui, c'est tous les étages.
So we have,
Avec les machins, les
Voilà.
trucs,
we have this is 14 stages. So we have
Les équilibrages.
yeah. After we will see the equilibrage of the impeller. The machine is here.
Ok.
The first step is suction case.
Ok.
And then he block it, he can rotate, and then he can stop. La puoi fermare poi anche questa qua. No. Blocchi la rotazione dell'albero, giusto? He can stop the shaft rotation. Fagli vedere passo passo. Okay.
Ah, ça c'est le calage.
Dammi. Every year, check this with the company because they assure the correct torque. So when we have to screw this screw, we don't use the manual tools. But with this, when you go to the correct torque, it's properly verified.
Ils mettent pas de graisse, rien. Là.
Non.
Oh,
Non,
personne.
non, personne.
Non. It's going. Like Formula 1.
E lasci allentate le due della canaliera. It's not a forgiven, but it's a and then
Donc après, c'est reparti.
devi andare dentro di? Non mi ricordo, era 40 e mezzo? 0.5. Lo vedi via la bilanciatrice?
Ok.
This spacer.
Ok.
When you made a maintenance, this is one
Donc il y a la petite vis à la fin, le dernier axe,
of key
bien latéral.
to see if the pumps work properly or not.
Ok.
Depending of the usury of this part, you can understand. Okay, my pumps works well, so works in range.
Yeah.
Or if it's a normal user,
Qual è la distanza qua?
it works out of range. So it is not a problem.
Tu lo zeri o...
It's a
Okay, so
problem
you can
how
check
to work.
if you have issue on the pumping. You can
First
check
of all,
with
you
this.
check it
Okay.
because if it's a normal user,
Non cambia niente.
okay, the pumps are working in range.
Yeah.
If you will find something not correct,
Yeah.
it does mean that work or
Okay.
to open or to close.
Okay, but in normal use, you still have
Yes,
some.
yes. Some
Okay, but a little bit.
Trasamento
Okay.
è questo.
the space between the ring
Yeah.
and the suspension is 2 mm.
But on S6, he's à l'aise.
Every our impellers, we balance the material, type,
Ah, 124, ok.
Yeah.
Ok.
and we
Ça, c'est la taille, c'est les modèles. en fait.
model. And là il va di chiudo without water, it's dry, completely dry.
Ok. Ah ouais.
and we vacuum the dust. Step. Rotating.
Yeah, to check where it's not okay.
Oh, c'est comme le pneu, quoi.
Ouais, c'est comme it's like the wheel of the car.
Yeah.
C'est- Ah ouais.
Check.
Bah ouais, c'est pour ça qu'en fait, ça nous donne, ouais, c'est ça, ouais.
We can happen that it is not okay. Recheck again. And normally he balance in the other side. Okay. So it is completely dry. No dust, nothing.
Le petit joint.
Prendi questo qui, così, questo qua, qua,
Avec la chasse.
ok. La gabbia la mettiamo così.
Sempre tempo rimetti i vecchi lì. Vabbè, no. Qui abbiamo tutto la pianta.
Ok. Così.
Exact, bah exactly, oui. Ah oui.
Appena appena.
Tout doux, ok.
E il grasso. La misura?
La mesure
60.
60 6
Sì,
6-0.
16.
Yes.
Più o meno a occhio ti tiene un po' distante così.
Ouais, après, faut l'œil, mais moi, je l'ai pas tout à fait encore. Hein.
Okay. So when do you take the 60 measure? Where is it?
180 nel 140 abbiamo la tabella
Dove fai la misura dell'altezza adesso della 60 mm?
da qua?
Sì?
Da qua.
Ah, okay. So here and here. 60. Ouais, c'est ça. C'est de là à là.
Però deve essere finita. Io adesso la tiro con questa qua e poi pian piano la metto a 60.
Ok, so he pre-assemble,
Yeah.
he pre-tight,
Okay.
and then he go to
60.
yes. Normally is a 62, 63.
140/1.
Okay.
Okay. And when you
So
tighten?
yes, it try to tighten,
En
Yeah.
vissant.
no,
Voilà.
and then goes to 60.
Ok, ouais, donc il assemble et il a 63 et quand il commence à serrer la clé, il finit à
It's because
60.
when tight,
D'accord, tu
the
la
impeller
pas
move.
comme ça.
Ouais,
non,
non,
pas,
ouais.
pas
Yeah.
comme ça, non.
No, you stay out, and you know that okay. If I see some space, I try to tight. Sì, ho preso le misure per dire.
Già viste queste? Le posizioni qua da.
E now?
Guarda. Adesso è 62,3. Pian piano con.
Là, je le tape.
Yeah.
62, donc 2 mm, tu m'en parles.
Yeah.
Vai, vai.
Bah oui, ça bouge pas du tout.
For the
là.
0.4.
T'as 61.
Boh,
60,4.
64. Adesso ti
Ça
faccio
suffit,
vedere.
ça. Le 4,
Yes.
c'est bon.
Essere un po' più su.
Ok.
Now you see. Because when tight, the impeller goes down.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Basta.
Measure.
60. Et là, il est passé à 60,1. C'était à 60,4.
Yes.
0.3 when you
Et
tight.
là, ça bouge.
Ok. Oh, d'accord. Quand tu serres, ça baisse de 0,3.
La canalina
Solo queste due qua, sulla sinistra.
On va faire que des pompes à un étage, c'est plus simple.
C'est pas mal. Ça débiterait quoi ça?
Bah, le débit, ça change rien, c'est la pression surtout que tu vas avoir un problème.
Simo, mi fa un piacere la mandata. Queste qua...
Pas ceux-là. Pas ceux-là.
Canalina.
Ouais.
Yeah.
Ok.
Pay attention.
Ouais. Là. Ouais. Donc là, vous êtes là. C'est la norme.
Cable.
Ok, ok. Ok.
Now we.
Muove, del paranco.
On a besoin de la potence. So, okay, 70, 26.
Il y a 66-76. C'est 3 au-dessus de 73, 3 en dessous de 73. Okay.
Finished.
And if when you make the measure, if it's not good, I don't know, you have a 68 and 80.
We got, okay.
What?
That's me.
It's
All
because
the-
of what?
Yeah. Normally it's do a two. Or not correct. Impeller assembled.
Okay.
Then
The 60 millimeters?
it's not 60, it's less or more, depending on the gap.
Yeah.
It's more or less. Or there is something wrong in the diffuser. We have a 8 with the tolerance. This is not in tolerance. But normally 99% is not
The
we have
setting of the impeller.
Yeah, impeller is moving and then you know.
Okay.
Okay?
Good.
Donc là, on a le banc de test avec 5 mètres d'eau où on teste les pompes
De 6 à 14 pouces, donc toutes les pompes qui sont fabriquées sont testées et ils peuvent monter jusqu'à 150 kW. Et en termes de pression, ils peuvent monter jusqu'à 60 bars, mais ils vont pas jusque là. Mais l'installation, elle accepte 60 bars.
Now the step is short run and we see if the rotation is right or not, because the test bench works only clockwise.
Ok.
Not